Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to learn a quick way to reset AirPods for all models with all troubleshooting in the last of this video. This helps to reset AirPods Pro in all conditions, like without or using an iPhone. So, don't miss to watch the video till the end. Make sure your AirPods are charging enough. Otherwise, charge them for 15 minutes to direct the wall plug. Without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, make sure and keep both AirPods in the charging case for at least 30 seconds. Now, open the lid and put both the AirPods in your ears. If you have iPhone, then forget it from the device. This option will automatically remove it from the Apple ID as well. If you don't have an iPhone or AirPods is not showing in the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone, then watch the video from this step to reset AirPods without your iPhone. But I forget AirPods with my iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Find AirPods or go to Bluetooth settings. Tap on the I button next to the AirPods name. Scroll to the screen. Tap on Forgot this device. Again tap on Forget device. See the message the device will remove it from all the devices on your iCloud account. Go with Forget device. That's it. Now, put both the left and right AirPods into the charging case. Then keep the lid open, and press and hold on the back button of the charging case for at least 15 to 20 seconds, until the status light on the front of the case flashes amber, then white. Now the reset AirPods are successfully done. But in some cases, if the light is not flashing correctly, then clean up the charging connector on the stem of both AirPods using a soft fiber cotton cloth, and use cotton earbuds to clean up the metal connector inside the charging case. This helps to remove debris and sweat covering the connector. Now, put both the AirPods in the charging case. Force down both the AirPods into the charging case. Sometimes, your AirPods are not connecting to the charging case connector. Then try to reset the AirPods using the back button of the charging case. That's it. Once the AirPods are reset, your iPhone near your AirPods shows the setup pop-up on the home screen. Set up again with your iPhone. Still, your AirPods are not reset correctly or won't connect. I recommend booking an appointment at the Apple Store or online and diagnosing with the help of Apple support. Video guide is available at the top I button or video description. The reason is that one of your AirPods is damaged or the charging case is damaged. So, you can buy separately from the Apple Store or online, showing on my screen to check the cost for AirPods and charging case. Before that, you should check that your device is under warranty for free repair or replacement according to Apple's terms and conditions. We can check it online through the link given below or showing on my screen. That's the only official way to reset or repair an Apple device that is not working correctly. For more help, comment with me, and don't miss to subscribe, like and share to help others.